the round number 2, which I will change that. We can chat meanwhile. It consists, for the newcomers, it consists of the 5 minutes of me trying to improve in typing and 25 minutes in trying to improve in the primary programming skill, which is a programming. So I go through tutorials or I do program. Now I program a application, a stopwatch application. That's my training. Vaguely. It is based on a video on YouTube, which I found. It was called Programming Workout, but I couldn't find it anymore. I don't know if it was taken down. And the main idea was that when you look at musicians, you know, they train or like the gymnasts, they train like different parts of their craft, right? And then they perform. So you could basically do the same thing with the programming. You know, you can break it into like smaller components, what you are doing. So you type, you might be Googling, you have a skills in your IDE of Vim, then you have the actual programming, that might be algorithms and so on. And so the idea of that is to do these trainings, which you break down the different features of a great programmer, let's say, and train them separately. So I'm trying to do that. So I have 5 minutes for typing and 25 minutes for programming practice right now. But I do typing lately a lot, but it can be learning the shortcuts and so on. And it was programming workout. And yeah, it's gone. It's fairly old video. Some Polish guy had this idea. It doesn't exist anymore, I think, but yeah, that's where I did found out. Hey, Exceed. Yeah, but that could be like history from 7 years back, right? So I will. That would be a good approach if it happened like recently, but unfortunately it didn't. So I might be able to find it, you know. But hey. Anyway, so we can start with the thing. I keep track of my progress. I wrote a simple application which takes the statistics, tells me what I'm saving, what my average for all time was, last 7 days, last 3 days, and I can see the progress, right? So I started like 9 days ago or something, the tracking, and my error rate was 7.9%. For last 7 days it was 7.29, and for the last 3 days is 6.53. So I can see the improvement, even the words per minute increases. So you know, I have some I have some problems with self-confidence lately, so this is a tool which hopefully help me you know, to be better in that too. So let's get into it. I'll start the timer. You seem to be doing well with oh. Thank you. Yeah, it's currently I'm in the state where it is hard for me to see it that way. Thank you. I don't know, it feels like I'm slow. I'm creating this very simple application and it takes me forever. But the hope is that I will be better in the future, so there's that. Yeah. Just don't stop, no matter what, and hopefully the improvement will come. Oh, you knew right away how to solve your problem with the focus. Oh, well, so thank you. Yeah, that's true. Maybe I should focus on I mean, not mental. Yes, I know. Yeah, I should probably look at it in that way most of the time, or more often. And you're learning to type again too, right? Togglebit. You have a new keyboard as well. I have mine for like month and something. You have a Moonlander? Is that possible? Should become a boring you suck for Yes. I will show you another keyboard which I had. That one is like mad. I will finish this one. Oh, well, yeah, 2 weeks. You are really good. You're really good. The the previous keyboard which I have also split it. I felt like complete moron for spending money on it at all. I was not able to do anything. Come on. I'm already thinking about showing you the keyboard, so I'm not concentrating on this thing. Just, yeah. Return. Here we go. So I will enter my score. I'll show you the other keyboard. 829. 829. There you go. Yeah, so it will tell me even like if I'm better or not, and if I'm not like improving, it just says it's stick with it. And I'll show you the keyboard. It's called KeyMouse. It is a device it is nice concept, but the execution hasn't been done well, so I cannot recommend it to anyone actually. This is the device. It looks like this. I will show the web page of it. Come on. And it acts as a keyboard and a mouse at the same time, as the name of it kind of implies. This is with the legends. I have without the legends, and I can do. Hold on, I can do this. Let's stop the timer. So this is it. I will place your hand like that, and you have a lot of buttons, and it also Yeah, it is. So it has a mouse sensor in here, and you can basically you have a mouse. You actually have two mices because these have the sensor too. So you sit like that, and you do your stuff. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the, and when I purchased this, I felt like total idiot. For one, it's like really expensive. Yeah, I would say I'm on the small hand size as well. And with this, I had some like RSI symptom problems with it, and it breaks constantly. It's constantly broken, and you have to fix it and fix it and fix it. Yeah, it's a nice concept. Has some serious problems. So I switched to this keyboard, which you can see right now, which also have some problems, but you can work with them. And this keyboard I was using for 2.5 years non-stop. What's the one I have right now? It is Gergoplex. Come on. It is Gergoplex. This is my page, but I have the link for the Gergoplex home page too. This is it. This is it. What is really nice about it is that it allows me to do chords or combos. So for example, do I have that? I don't have open. Oh, hold on. So I'll open that, and that was. Well, you know what? I can open it in Visual Studio Code. It will be faster. Okay. So what is nice about it is this chording capability. And for example, if I press those three keys together, it is an escape key. This is an enter for me. This is a tabulator. And you can program it like it is in some kind of C. I don't really know, but you're basically just moving around constant, so it's like really easy. And I have, for example, like if I press those two keys, it is a backspace. If I press those two keys, it is a delete. If I press E and B, I have an underscore, this and that, I have a minus key, and multiple things like that, which is kind of nice. And they are really light and sensitive key switches in here. How I do make curly braces, so I have a layer in here. I press the thumb button, this one in here, and then everything changes to this. And I have a curly brace, closed, open, those things, because those I type quite a lot. Yeah, so that's how I type those. Oh, another feature which I kind of like, and your keyboard can do it too, that is, I have, this would be A, but if I hold it, you know, it acts as a control, right? So for example, this I have the same, it's control or semicolon, right? So I hold it and then I tap the A and selects everything. So I have a control alt, you know, under my hand all the time. I don't have to like move my hands that lot. But you have to program it, but that will be no problem for you at all. Yeah. So we got this. Okay. I don't need this. Cut your wrist rest in half. Okay. Okay, so what do we have now? I did solve. Oh, come on. X. So this has been solved, this bug, which is nice. So we want to set time from the graphical interface. So we have the changing. I find it easier to make a GUI with. Okay, so that's sentence. Never mind that. Okay. And then I won't read the text and parse it. Okay, okay. So I will do that. Those two I will do in the one step, I think. And that is on the enter key. Okay, so this was kind of like debugging thingy, which I won't remove. And oh, Togglebit will know how to do this. Oh, or I can do. You liked your old worst dress better. Came with the Moonlander, but it wasn't wide enough, so I cut it off and oh, nice. If I want to, you would know, you're using Vim. Like normally I would, let's say I want to delete all of this, right? And in Vim, like what came to my mind was to delete, you know, like delete inside this. But that's probably not the best way how to do it, right? So maybe I could do go here and delete till. Oh, okay, so it's not that. Delete till. Yeah, delete d slash. Oh, what the slash does? Huh? Delete slash. Oh fuck. What? Ah, so delete, search this, enter. Okay. Ah, so you search for something and oh, I see. Okay, and I want a search like so, and I do delete, search this guy, space. What about out? Oh, it doesn't do the live preview of the. Okay, it's bad. And so delete slash that, bam, then I do exit. Okay, thank you very much. And if I have this already, so first of all, I don't need those. What about, okay, delete around that? Okay, so DK. What DK does? DK. Oh, that's delete above. That's delete above, right? See. Yeah. Okay. Oh fuck. What's okay? I will do that. That's because you are implementing the key listener, and I don't want to pollute my thingy over here. So we can do, instead of implementing key listener, we can extend key adapter, which is the same thing but an abstract class created from the key listener. So we will do extends key adapter and delete word. Oh fuck. Delete word again. Okay, cool. Now what happened is, this is red, why? And now I don't need to implement those methods because it is implemented in the parent class. Yay. This tease is getting darker and darker. Look at that. Oh, maybe you couldn't see. It's dark as a coffee. Anyway, so I have that. Hey, Storm. Good, I would say. Good. I fixed the bug, which I had in here. So I can switch between setting the time and back right now. I can, it doesn't do anything. Right now I'm implementing, you know, I would put, say, let's say I want 2 hours, 10 seconds, and then press enter, and that should, you know, like change the thing as I do it in here, like say 1 hour, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and it's set up, right? So I want to change that. Thank you, Storm. And I can move it finally around. I don't know if you saw that, so that's possible. And now I want to, on enter, on pressing the enter, we will be parsing the text inside, which is on the text adapter, on the enter. Does it set enter pressed? Okay, so I'll switch, and I'm here, and I press enter pressed, so that works. So we will take what we, I forgot where I have it in time string parser, right? So I want to, that was static something, right? Yeah, so we don't have to do anything, that's nice. And then pass it to a time manager. Cool. And maybe I will have a set new timer. Yeah. Search public void set new time. Consider using map or dictionary construct to avoid the if else if the construct. This will scale better as you want to add more and more conditions. Or a switch. Yeah, where was the else? That was on the key presses, right? In the GUI. With a map / dictionary. Okay, so the map would be, so it would be something like map, and the key will be, I don't know, like some key press, and here would be function handling shit, right? Oh, that would be key event. Okay, key. Yeah, okay. I think someone told me about this already on the channel. He might even send me a code.
Does a thing, and they don't really concern themselves too much with the inner workings or how it happens. And
where is it? Maybe here I kept it. Yeah, this I kept it here. Someone like, but I still have to like study this more. I'm still not versed in the Java 8 and above. Now, like in the lambda things and stuff. But yeah. So I think I will. Right now I will do that, and that will be. I will put it on the to-do list. That's what I will do. In the GUI. Why is executed package in here? That's not where you should be. There we go. Yeah, so yeah, no, your input is very welcome. And here it will be the up key event function for listeners and places. Cool. Got that, and now we are doing this. So when it is pressed, we will we won't call it time manager. This is a strategy pattern. Strategy pattern. Oh, look at that! It works already. I love it. Oh, like I could have a timer over here, and I did that. I developed that thing. Yes. Collection. In some cases, you want to build a list of strategy, and then you execute the strategies in order. In this case, we'll use the map and find the strategy to execute using key. Head first, design patterns. Okay. so I will put it into my need to be sorted. Oh, come on, undo. Good. So this, and that will be head first design patterns. Head first design patterns. Holy fuck, that's expensive. Oh, okay. Okay. Nice girl though. Okay, so this and in euros, I don't know. It is 75 approximately euros. Yeah, it's expensive. So gonna become, hey Quincy, no, we will not stop programming. That's the thing we do in here. You know, you see this? I did that. That's my work. No, I have a stopwatch. Yeah, that's crazy expensive. But you know, maybe there are like another ways how to like let's say some of my friends would like to store his backup of this book in my hard drive. I could keep it there for him for some time, you know. Do you speak Czech like Quincy or not? Yeah, you can talk about format. This is the design pattern porn right now. So I want to save it here. Oh, I didn't yank that. Yeah. What is happening? Froze. Oh my god. That's too long. Why is that? Do I need those? I don't. Okay, so I'm taking this. I'm okay. How are you, Quincy? It's nice to see you again in here. I can buy for $15 used. I can buy and ship it to you for cheaper. Yeah, that's funny. Going to flap about a bit expensive, a good continuous stream. Oh yeah, thank you for stopping by, Togo. See you around. Still unemployed? Yeah, me too. Me too. I'm also unemployed. Here we go. Satire. Bits, and first design turns. Lorog, have a great day. Okay, I will be here till 6 today. Then I will go away. That's 18 on that clock. You're there, be quizzing me on data structures and algorithms. Oh yeah, that's like they always quiz you about stuff you will never do in the actual work. It's just the hiring process in our industry is bad. It's really, really bad. It's really bad. And I want to push. Yeah. It's just, the process is horrible. It's really, really bad. It's really bad. Everywhere. I remember the last time I was looking for a work, there was only one company, and I did interview for like 23 companies. I think it was 23. Only one company did ask me or to do the code in front of them, you know, on a computer actually. Only one. Yeah, so here. Yeah, but the instance is in the main. So how will I? We are not using this main anymore. The IP. Oh. You really said that? You really said that? Did you really? That's awesome, dude. That's really freaking awesome. Yeah, well, it was probably a shitty job anyway. Oh well, you know what, sometimes, yeah, it's hard to say, like, do I do the stupid dance with them, you know, but then I might end up in stupid company, or it's kind of hard, isn't it, to guess. I forgot what I'm doing. Setting time from GUI. So I somehow need the way how to set that right. So this probably should have reference to the timer thingy. Yeah. Well, I never inverted a binary tree on the backend work neither. I never did it. Never did it. It always has been take this shit from the database and send it through the API somewhere to the front end. That was it. Always. Always. Nothing else. I haven't inverted a single binary tree in my career for work purposes. Never. Well, I'm noob, right? So maybe it's, but I don't believe that's the case. Where's the constructor? GUI. Not UI here. Oh, this is a constructor. It's a huge constructor. And we want time manager. Time manager. Not related problem. So we will leave it there because that will tell us what we want to do next, and we are done with the run 2 as our timer says. So I'll stop the time.